It was one of those slow, rainy days that feels like a pause from real life. I was back at my parents' home and everything feels slower and safe. The air smelled like the wet earth. It was kind of a day where the sky feels grey, but my heart was full. On this particular day, I didn't plan what to paint, but I just picked up my pencil and let it all flow. There was no rules, no expectation, just rain and my pencil colors. There's a kind of a magic when you're sketching and painting while it rains, like time slow downs. This video is a small escape to that world, a moment of stillness, a gentle reminder that it's okay to create just because it makes your soul feel lighter. I have always been drawn to things that are not real, dreamy, impossible things like creatures with wings and creatures falling in love and having dinner with the family. I like to believe that the world inside of my head is real, and that's what I love sketching about. Not what I see, but what I feel. I am trying to sketch love story of a crocodile. A crocodile who fell in love not with another crocodile but with the weather, with the way the raindrops dance, the way everything felt a little more alive. He didn't knew that the love could look like a grey sky, but maybe that's the thing about love. Like it always finds you in the most unexpected ways and in the most unexpected forms. Thank you for being here inside this little daydream of mine. Until the next sketch, keep believing in the beauty of unreal. Love you.